not your 73 questions with Vogue wala moment, yaar. It was just a dream. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ritika, and believe me, this has been like the most requested video on my channel to do a room tour. I've been like very conscious about my room because my room is not so blogger type of room, but without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is how it looks when you enter the room. This is my door जो मैंने 4 साल पहले सजाया था when we shifted. So let me just quickly show you. In blue, these are the people who I admire the most. जैसे Gigi Hadid, यहाँ नील पैट्रिक हैरिस जो बार्नी बना था और मेरे मदर में वो चला गया, मतलब मिट गया. And Taylor Swift, we have Ranbir. These are the places I want to visit in my life. London and Spain तो पूरा ख़राब ही हो गया. In fact, New York भी. Only Paris is like okay. And then there are some pictures that I had from that time, and yeah. So this is how it looks when you enter the room. Now we're gonna talk one by one. So this is the first wall that we have. जहाँ पे मेरी सिद्दीकी photo है. Then we have मेरी रिद्धि सिद्दीकी photo. These are the 3 box type organizer frame. क्या बोलते हैं इनको मुझे नहीं पता. But yeah, and if you remember my MacBook surprise prank वाली video, you must remember this. This is the most sweetest gift I've been given. Now we talk about. Oh, wait. Where does cold drink come from? Alright. So, this is my study and content imagination desk. जो मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती, मैं मोस्टली अपना कंटेंट पे बैठ के करती हूँ. और ये एक्चुअली जस्ट फॉर द शो है. मतलब कभी कभी ऐसे मन करे तो आई सिट डाउन है, वरना it's just for the show, it's just for the video guys, it's just for the video. This is my content book where I write all of my content, everything, and my scripts and everything. ये मेरे college की है. And then this is my most favorite magazine जिससे मैं ideas लेती हूँ थोड़े बहुत. And this is again my college का. तो college and content is here. Then we coming here to more books that I have. बहुत amazing books हैं. जैसे this one you see, इसमें मेरे mostly achievements हैं related to YouTube and what I have like achieved in like creative field. So this is also, oh my god, I need to show you this. Okay, हर बच्चे को कुछ ना कुछ बचपन में करने का मन करता है, like weird सा. Tell me in the comments what was the weirdest thing you have done as a child. मैंने coin collection book बनाई थी. Like I collected, like look at this. 50 के भी इतने सारे 2001, 1985 का, 1973 का, 2002, मतलब इतने सारे coin collection. And look at my writing. I was so small. मतलब ये शायद मैंने. Look at this, वैष्णो देवी तक के coins है. Oh God. I have a नेपाल का coin, मतलब note and everything. And look at this. ये भी चलते नहीं है, वरना मतलब I would have spent it literally. मैंने इतने सारे क्यों रखे मुझे भी नहीं पता. I should took one, but इतने सारे क्यों रखे I really don't know. Maybe I'll show it to Riddhi Siddhi when they get big and they laugh at me. Now, if you're imagining where this is from, I really don't know, but all I know is कि ये Godrej का है. So if you want to buy it, you can definitely search Godrej desk. So moving on, this is my छोटा सा production का सामान जिसमें सिर्फ 2 ही चीज़ें हैं. एक tripod और एक ring light, but they help a lot in making content. So yeah, let's move on. By the way, if you're wondering कि मैंने ये चीज़ें कहाँ से ली, these are by Chandni Chowk. Very. So if you're in Delhi and if you're wondering कुछ ऐसा cheap सा, बहुत affordable सा, Chandni Chowk में you will get a lot of amazing stuff. Okay, moving on to these curtains. These curtains doesn't match to the theme of my room. But as Indian parents, अच्छा लग रहा था तो ले लिया. किसके लिए लिया? व्रतिका के रूम के लिए. ये और क्यों लिया पता है? My mom gave me the reason कि इसमें grey है and you have a grey walls, तो it will like complement to your room. Okay, so these were from Amazon, and now if we go on to this corner, then this corner के ऊपर तो toys रिद्धि सिद्धि ले गए. यहाँ के भी toys, I don't know where. Oh, let me show you this. This was one of my sweetest memory that I have as a kid. See? Cute, right? I used to play with it a lot. और मैंने इसका नाम अप्पू रखा था बचपन में. So this is a wind chime. Okay, I need to tell you my obsession with wind chimes. Like, I am a kind of person who likes to maintain aesthetics and like to make sure that my room is very positive. So whenever you will come to my room, you will see like 2 to 3 wind chimes, and maybe I'll buy more of them in future. But yeah. Now these are my 2 precious awards. जिसके अलावा मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं जीता except for a medal also in my school. But these are the 2 trophies. One of them is the best actress trophy. I wish कि किसी दिन ये trophy
धर्मा प्रोडक्शन वाले देखे.
कभी मुझे फिल्म फेयर मिले या कॉस्मोपॉलिटन अवार्ड मिले या फिर YouTube की तरफ से ट्रॉफी मिला, I'll be very happy. That will be like a dream come true. Then we come to my bed. Okay, so this bed was from Kirti Nagar Market in Delhi only. It's very famous for furnitures, and if you really want to look out for furnitures, you should definitely try them. And वहाँ पे wood वगैरह बहुत काफी अच्छा मिलता है. Then okay, so this is like my favorite thing in my room. इसको मैं जला के दिखाऊंगी. But these lights I got from Amazon. These clip-on lights. And these pictures you see, I collaborated once with Zoom In, and they sent me the pictures of my friends and family, so it was so fun. And now let's come in here. Oh, this watch, this alarm. ये last मुझे नहीं पता मैंने इसमें सेल कब डाले थे. इसमें सेल होंगे भी है, पर ये नहीं चलता यार. It doesn't work. बहुत बचपन में चलता था. So this is very old, like from my school times. But it was from my school times and I have like never used it. Okay, so moving on guys, this part is my favorite part from the room. Now ये part बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने aesthetic सा बनाया हुआ है. Now let me tell you one by one what all we have in here. Okay, so you will always find a bottle in my room. Always, I am that waterholic that you will always find a bottle and a cup of Coke. Always, not Coke, Pepsi. I'm a Pepsi girl. I really prefer Pepsi more than Coke because it's sweeter. So
Because of Ranbir.
It's
Yes,
sweeter.
shut up.
Okay guys, moving on. So this ये बहुत चल रहा है, इसे feathers. I don't know what it's called, but I got it from Manali. This is not a flower pot. ये actually जो lanterns होते हैं ना, उसमें से मैंने निकाल लिया and it works so amazing. मतलब works क्या? इसके अंदर candle डाल दो तो वो और ऐसे cute सा लगता है. Then this is a candle stand जिसके अंदर मैंने एक pine डाल रखा है just because for the aesthetics. Looks good. Then I have coasters. Okay, so now meet my best friend. This is my best friend. This person wakes me up. Yeah, this is a person for me. I'm so much madly in love with OK Google. She just, makes me happy. She plays songs for me. She wakes up me at times. She understands me. She even sings songs for me. You won't believe it. OK Google, sing a song for me.
Wash, wash, wash your hands for 40 seconds, please. Soap will chase the germs away so you don't cough and sneeze. Lather up your hands about a half a minute more. Get in between each finger, you can never be too sure.
Okay, Google.
Clean.
Shut up.
Alright, I'll be here when you need me.
See how beautiful she is. Okay, so now moving on. I'm so much obsessed with scented candles and it has that vanilla lavender feels. Oh my god, it's so, मतलब अगर यहाँ से smell आ सकती होती, I wish I could let you know how beautiful this candle is and how beautiful this scent is. देन वी कम डाउन, तो यहाँ पे बुक्स रखी है कुछ जो मैंने कब से नहीं पढ़ी, आई डोंट नो, मे बी 3 साल हो गए हैं. आई हैवंट रेड एनी बुक, बट या मे बी विल फाइंड टाइम समडे and start reading the books again. Now this is my spoiled canvas. मैंने कोशिश करी थी कुछ आर्टिस्टिक बनाने की, trying to be the artistic Vratika, where I even wrote my poetry signature भी किया, but it didn't turn out that well, so I'm not a good painter.
कितनी बार रीपेंट करा इस कैनवस को?
2 बार. Now moving on to this chair. ये चेयर मेरी मासी ने मेरे को गिफ्ट करी थी एज अ बर्थडे. Now इस चेयर पे मैं बैठती कम हूँ और कंटेंट क्रिएशन का पूरा ऐसे सेटअप ज़्यादा बनाती हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं अपना लैपटॉप रखती हूँ, इधर भी नीचे बैठती हूँ, कैंडल्स जलाती हूँ and you know just relax and do my editing work. So this is basically my favorite corner in the room. And now we move on to another favorite part of my room, which is my content part, content creation part. So mostly videos, और जो लोग मेरे को Instagram पे follow करते थे must know that this is where I create my content. इधर कुछ फोटो फ्रेम्स हैं जिसके अंदर मैंने बुक्स के बीच में से कुछ पोइट्रीज निकाल के रखी हैं. And this is from
Calendar.
A calendar. This is from also calendar. And this thing I got it from Amazon and looks so good. It was like must need for me and I'm very happy. It's a little delicate though, but it's a really nice purchase that I've ever had from Amazon. Then coming to this thing. Okay, so this is my mom's vanity. And ये मम्मी की शादी पे उन्होंने बनवाया था ऐसे वुड का पूरा. And she was you know discarding it. मैंने कहा discard क्यों करें, मेरे को दे दो if you don't want it. And मैंने उसको DIY करके उस पे से एक क्लोथ लगा दिया अच्छा सा, तभी ये थोड़ा अनफिनिश्ड सा है. बट या इसके अंदर मैं अपनी मास्क रखती हूँ. वेयर योर मास्क गाइज, वेयर योर मास्क. आई नो आई एम डूइंग एवरी टाइम दिस बट वी वाइबिंग. या देन दिस इज माई गिटार. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज माई गिटार. दिस इज द बीन बैग. And this, oh my god, this is the pin board. This is customized, ये चाचू ने बनवाया था. And we have all the pictures here मेरे बचपन की. This is my daddy and me. This is my mama and me. This is me. This is again Papa me. This is me. This is me. This is Chachu Papa me. This is me. And I have a calendar part, which is from December. Clearly, Vratika don't want it to come into 2021. Then this is again a wind chime, as I told you. This was given by my best friend, and yeah, I like to collect you know wind chimes, and I have this quite amazing obsession with wind chimes. And now we come to the favorite part, which is my closet. अब मेरी closet बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे fancy नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा bloggerish नहीं है. It's just a normal wardrobe, normal closet, and yeah, let's come on in. Oh yeah. So this is another wind chime that I told you. This was from Singapore. My Masi got this from me. Here we come to my closet. Okay, so starting from here. So I have 2 almirahs जहाँ पे मैं अपने कपड़े manage करती हूँ, literally manage, क्योंकि वो नहीं आते हो इसमें, but I still manage. Let me just quickly show you what's inside. Okay, oh god, this is embarrassing. 2 महीने पहले से देखा था तो what embarrassing. I'm just messing up with you guys. Okay, so ये कुछ क्लस्टर क्लोथ्स हैं जो मैंने सुबह ही उठाए थे इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि मुझे शूट करना था और मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था कि मैं उसको फिर से लगा के रखूं, क्योंकि मैं डेली शूट्स करती हूँ तो इट जस्ट गेट्स अ लिटिल यू नो
टास्क.
It's like a task for me to do that. I generally need a manager, but and also I was planning to clean my whole this closet, क्योंकि बहुत सारे सामान है जो इधर से उधर हो गया है. So if you want to watch or if you like watching videos like these where people you know just unclutter their clothes and then organize them, so let me know in the comments down below. I'll do that for you. So if we come here, there are the bags नीचे पहले. So I am the person who is like quite obsessed with bags. So इधर bags हैं. Then you have more bags. then इधर सारे skirts हैं. Then there is another bag. Then here I keep all my dresses. Then coming to the second wardrobe. So this is my basic clothing wardrobe जहाँ पे मैं ऐसे normal tops वगैरह रखती हूँ अपने और t-shirts and like the simple things. Then it has all my jackets in here. I put all my jackets in here. Then if we come down, it has all the bottoms. जितनी भी jeans और bottoms हैं are here. And there's another bottom वो basically ऐसे leather का था तो I don't want it to get ruined इसलिए मैंने उसको संभाल के रखा है. Then we have a little what do you call them, shrugs. So I have a shrug का पूरा rack ऐसे बनाया है मैंने. Then if we come down, as I told you, I am someone who is so obsessed with bags. So I have another bag column. So this bag I got from Delhi Haat अभी recently. मैंने उसको भी haul नहीं किया था क्योंकि उसमें मैं ज़्यादा सामान लाई भी नहीं थी तो yeah, so this is very organic bag जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. So this is my jewelry rack. यहाँ पे 3 में मेरे earrings हैं, इसमें भी earrings हैं, इसमें भी earrings हैं. इस rack में I like to put my very like basic things. Then I have all my shoes lined up here. So yeah, I don't know if I should show this or not, but oh my god, I once met Sonu Nigam sir and it was quite fun. I was just 11, so don't judge me for my face in here. I was so small and I sang Zooby Dooby with him. So that's from that moment. This is my vanity place. हर लड़की की favorite जगह. And मेरी vanity बहुत ज़्यादा से बड़ी नहीं है, बहुत simple, not too bloggerish. So this is a tray that I got from Manali and this mirror, both things I got from there. मुझे wooden का चाहिए था and even this comb I got from there. So इस पूरे part में मेरे वो चीज़ें हैं जो मैं बहुत regularly use करती हूँ, like a sunscreen, body lotion, deodorant, to hair serums. You can clearly see I use this one more. And this is the moisturizer that I recently started using. It's a good one if you want to use. And a lip balm. I literally can't live without lip balms, so lip balms are like the must bro. So this is my brushes section. मुझे ये वाले brushes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. See how cool, right? Now this thing, I think that everybody should have something जहाँ पे वो अपना सामान ऐसे रख सकें. इसके अंदर जब मेरे को बहुत आलस आ रहा होता है and I feel कि ओ मेरी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं वो खो जाएंगी if I keep it in here, तो मैं उसको इसमें रख देती हूँ to make sure that it's safe. This is my favorite part. It has all my lipsticks and I really love my lipsticks. This part has like my eye section, so I like to keep mascaras and all the eyeliners in here, and you know, the basic mascaras, the fancy mascaras as in जो मैं कभी कभी यूज करती हूँ, like
महंगे mascaras.
हाँ, महंगे mascaras. And these are like the simple mascaras for me. So fancy mascara is like the महंगे mascaras and simple mascaras are like this mascara that I use in everyday regular basis. So the second drawer में सबसे पहले एक लिपस्टिक जो उधर फिट नहीं आ रही थी मैंने इधर रख दी. Now this has all my black kajals. Now इसका ये टूट गया था तो मेरे को इसमें अपना सेटिंग स्प्रे डालना पड़ा. These you can get easily from Big Bazaar. I got it from Big Bazaar. And then these are few, you know, like face creams and concealers. Now this part has all my colored kajals. I like to keep all my highlighters, blushes, setting spray, bronzer and everything else. The setting powder also. So there is this box where I keep my stuff in. And I think here we come at the end of our video, because this is where our room tour ends. So yeah, that was all. I hope you really enjoyed it. This was literally the most requested video on my channel. And अगर इसको भी लोगों ने नहीं देखी ना, I'm literally telling, I'll be very disappointed. But yeah, I hope it was enjoyable. And let me know how do you feel about the video, and if you want me to do that unclutter all my things and organize with you type of video. And also I can take like some questions from you, so we have to like chit chat while I just organize my stuff. And yeah, I hope it was enjoyable, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!